You love me. We are happy family with a great big hug. How are you, my little angels? It's your Teacher Anauncieta. Welcome to EasyElimu, Learning Simplified. The sun is there, up in the sky. I wake up in the morning. I forgot to ask you yesterday. When does the sun come up in the sky? Teacher, sometimes it's there during the day. I've said, when does the sun come up in the sky? The sun comes up in the sky in the morning. That coming up is called rising. That coming up is called rising. That coming up is called rising. Early to bed and early to rise. Even you, when you wake up in the morning, it is called rising up. So we say the sun rises in the morning. In which side? The sun rises in the morning. In which side? Mr. Sun, where are you rising from? I am rising from the east. Mr. Sun, where are you setting from? When does the sun go down? When does the sun go down? The sun goes down in the very quiet. When does the sun go down? The sun goes down in the We shall learn in the next lesson when does the sun goes down. But right now we are just saying, Mr. Sun, where are you rising from? I am rising from the east. Now, yesterday we talked about morning and we sang the song, good morning, good morning. Now we are saying, good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon to you. Good afternoon, good afternoon, and how do you do? And you say, I'm fine, I'm fine, I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, I'm fine. And how do you do? Very nice. So yesterday we talked about some of the things we do in the morning. And so many people told me so many things. What are some of the things we do in the morning? We said, I wake up in the morning. After that, I wash my face. I take a cup of tea. I brush my teeth, and then I do what? I run to school. We said there is combing of hair, but it depends with who is combing the hair. Not everybody combs the hair. Today we want to talk about activities in the afternoon. What is afternoon? When you talk about noon, what is noon? Noon is the time when the sun is on our head. Have you ever walked during the day and you are seeing, when you look at your shadow, it is very small. You cannot even step on it. It can be even the size of the shoe. Have you ever walked around and seen the shadow? When you're walking, the shadow is very small, just very small. It can be even the size of this shoe only. Yes, teacher, when we are coming from lunch, very good. That is the time we say it is afternoon. Why? The sun is on our head. That is when the sun is just on our head. It is walking on our head and we are down there like this. So what are some of the activities we do? What are some of the activities we do in the afternoon? Someone tell me some of the activities we do in the afternoon. For me, most of my afternoon, I go for swimming. Teacher, in the afternoon, we take lunch. Very good. There are those people who take lunch in the afternoon. For us, we take late lunch. We have never known when lunch is eaten. And especially with my co-teachers, we take lunch when time is almost gone. But for you, I know you take your lunch on time because you cannot read without eating lunch on time. There are these small babies, like the grade 1s, grade 2s. When do you leave school? Teacher, we leave school in the afternoon. Very good. Someone is telling me we wake up we come to school in the afternoon. Do you come to school in the afternoon? Unless you are in grade 5, 6, or 7. What other activity do we do in the afternoon? Which other activity do we do in the afternoon? Someone remind me, which other activity? For the young ones, before they go home, what do? They sweep their classroom. So for them, sweeping classroom in the afternoon is very okay. Okay? They sweep their classroom. They sweep their classroom in the afternoon. Very nice. Which other activity? For you, playing in the afternoon, it's okay. See, I've seen most of you playing in the afternoon. Yes. So those are some of the activities we do in the afternoon. But now, we have not been very specific. Where do we do these activities from? Do we do them within the school compound or at home? So what I want you to do is tell me any 2 activities you do in the afternoon at home. So for me, you're going to draw. Don't just try it for me. I want you to draw, color, and name the activities you do at home in the afternoon. For the school, again, you draw, color, and name the activities you do in the school in the afternoon. Are we together? So, who can remind me some of the activities we do in the afternoon at home? There are those who play. There are those who fetch water. This time, the young ones, if they want to go to fetch water, there is fetching of water, fetching firewood. Are we together? For those who like fetching firewood and fetching water. The small boys, when they leave school, they go hunting. Do you know they love hunting? They go hunting. They go hunting all over. You see them walking around in the bush with the dogs. That is what they like doing. There are those who sweep their houses in the afternoon. Are we together? Yes, there are those who sweep their houses. So we are talking about eating lunch. There are those who eat lunch in the afternoon. There are those who sleep in the afternoon. So it depends with where you're coming from. Then at school, because of the school buses, those who also do what? Sleep. Don't tell me no. There are those who sleep. They eat lunch. There are those who play this afternoon. I was forgetting. There are those even who ride bicycles at home. Riding bicycles. There are those who sweep their classrooms before they leave the school. There are those who pick rubbish in front and behind their classroom. So these are some of the activities that we do at home and at school in the afternoon. Up to there. Any problem? We have said, what does the term afternoon mean? Afternoon is when the sun is on our head. When the sun is on our head. And this is the time when our shadow is very small. You can even look at it and you catch it with the hand like this. And we have said, activities we do in the afternoon, we eat lunch. There are those that leave school. There are those that sweep the classroom. There are those that play. They do the bicycle riding. All those are the activities we do in the afternoon. Up to there. Any problem? So we have talked about how many, the times of the day that we have talked about. We have talked about the morning and the afternoon. So we want to look forward. We want to see which one will be the next time after afternoon. Are we together? I hope you join me in the next lesson as we explore the next time of the day. Thank you very much.